how many of you practiced any of the techniques that were taught yesterday? What was the feeling like?
Feeling like we should practice it after every hour. I think.
Understand the concept of energy, or as we know it in Sanskrit, Prana Shakti. आप कैसा खाना खा रहे हो, आप कितना सो रहे हो, आपका काम कितना है, आपका किसके साथ झगड़ा हो रहा है, आपके क्या थॉट्स इमोशंस चल रहे हैं, सब कुछ इज इफेक्टिंग योर प्राणा इन द बॉडी. म्यूजिक गिव्स अस एनर्जी. आप अच्छा म्यूजिक सुनोगे, हाँ अपबीट म्यूजिक सुनोगे, जिम वाला म्यूजिक सुनोगे, आपको ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक लगेगा. आपका एनर्जी क्या चीज कम करता है और आपका एनर्जी क्या चीज बढ़ाता है, बताइए.
जब मैं ओवर थिंकिंग करती हूँ तो वो मुझे थका देती है चीजें. किसी भी चीज के बारे में मैं ज्यादा सोचती हूँ.
जी.
और जो जैसा है उसको मैं वैसा अगर एक्सेप्ट कर लेती हूँ तो मैं लाइट फील करती
गॉट इट. कहाँ पे फील होता है आपको बॉडी में ये?
हूँ. मुझे हार्ट में होता है धक धक फील.
हार्ट में हो. ओके.
पूरी बॉडी में ही होती है. मुझे थोड़ी पैल्पिटेशन ज्यादा होती है जब मैं ज्यादा स्ट्रेस फील करती हूँ.
Well, where I felt and often feel is legs and hands. And when I feel low energy, it's numbing. So I don't. It's the lack of feeling, or as if I can't walk or something. One factor which affects it most is sleep, like quality of sleep, and right now also directly like heat or lack of heat. So it's very cold right now.
Okay.
So I do feel better when it's warmer, just comfortable. I feel like, okay, the blood is flowing. I can do more in some months. I mean, in the US, some months more than the other months. And in India, I just don't know what happens. I come and like feel so much energy because maybe as following yesterday's lecture, maybe I'm like, able to take so many people's diyas to light myself up. That is also missing.
Okay. And what increases the energy?
If I do any physical activity, if I don't have a heater. But yesterday night, even just getting an external heater and turning it on changed my energy.
So we'll do this to ourselves. किसी ने कान नहीं खींचे आपके बहुत सालों से, अब आप खुद खींचोगे. ओके. सो आप साइड एंड डाउन. ओके. फेस में दर्द होता है साइड्स में, यहाँ पे. ओके. क्यों? क्योंकि हम दांतों को ऐसे पूरा ऐसे पकड़ लेते हैं जब टेंशन में होते हैं. नाउ विल डू समथिंग दैट किड्स डू. ओके. ब्लोइंग raspberries. So inhale and watch first. So what is intention? Intention in Sanskrit is called sankalp. So how many of you were actually able to visualize that light? And how did you feel about it?
I connected it with Krishna. He is blessing me with that energy inside my heart. And then slowly he is just asking me to take that effort and give it to my whole body and then expend it in my whole environment where I'm sitting, where I'm working. I feel like that.
Yes, I could visualize it. And also, my daily intention is to be happy to be independent.
Good.
So, well, I didn't borrow the light, but it started with the heart center, and I was able to first see it, visualize it in everybody. And as I was saying, right now my legs feel numb. Even with that visualization, I could like make my body feel better first. Then I could see like a Google map kind of a thing. And the light was
Great.
expanded.
So you are expanding your aura. What is the one positive action that you want to take to feel happy? If you can share. if
Believe
you
the
would like to share.
sunshine.
क्या आप करोगे जिससे कि आपको सनशाइन, आप फील करोगे सनशाइन जैसा? और आई विल से आई एम द सनशाइन, व्हाटएवर इट इज.
Yeah, like it starts with saying, and whenever I am feeling one of the clouds, even yesterday midday, I started feeling again. I journaled, and first I started to journal. I couldn't like with words. I just drew what I wanted, and I think I'm going to practice that. So as a practice, I'm going to start journaling more by doodling, drawing, if not words or words.
Say it
I'm the
again. I'm the
sunshine.
sunshine.
I'm the
I'm the
sunshine.
sunshine.
Awesome, awesome, great, great. Remember, if you say it, you will believe it.